How to get more Twitter followers, finally revealed. Do you want to increase your Twitter followers? You can increase your website traffic, customer size, and sales volume by increasing your followers on Twitter. Fortunately, there are numerous simple methods for increasing your Twitter followers. In this video, we'll look at how to get the most Twitter followers with the least amount of effort. 1. Include SEO keywords into your Twitter bio. On Twitter, you can get followers by optimizing your bio for keywords. Users can conduct keyword searches on Twitter to find conversations to join and people to follow. 2. Search for people who are talking your niche. If you want to grow your Twitter following, reach out to people who are talking about your industry. How? Try utilizing Twitter's search function. 3. Adding a Twitter badge on your site. Do you want to increase your Twitter following? Then, on your website, you'll want to include a Twitter badge. Along with access to their Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube accounts, most large businesses and stores include a link to their Twitter profiles. 4. Include a link to your Twitter account in your newsletter. Do you give your customers and fans email newsletters or other marketing materials on a regular basis? If that's the case, include links to your Twitter and other social media profiles in your emails to encourage email subscribers to interact with your store on social media. 5. Add Twitter to the list of contact options. Another strategy to gain Twitter followers is to advocate it as a communication tool. People who prefer Twitter to email or the phone can contact your e-commerce store for sales, support, and other inquiries by adding your Twitter link to your website's Contact Us page. 6. Offer a Twitter follower incentive. Offering incentives can help you gain Twitter followers. Why? They entice users to do a certain action, such as signing up for your email list or like your store on Facebook. 7. Organize a contest. Some stores hold contests on a regular basis. To increase their Twitter followers, they encourage individuals to follow them on social media so that they can stay up to date on their latest contests and prizes. 8. Get more Twitter followers by using Twitter ads. Do you want to increase your Twitter followers? Consider Twitter advertisements. You can use Twitter's advertising platform to reach out to new customers and encourage them to follow your store on Twitter. If you advertise your account on Twitter, it will display as a suggested account to follow for the audience you choose. 9. Request that employees include your store's information in their bios. Do you have personal Twitter accounts for your employees, freelancers, or business partners? Ask them to include your store's Twitter handle, @username, in their bio if they're agreeable. People will see a link to your store's Twitter account when they visit your employees' profiles or see them in search results. 10. Find and recruit your influencers. Recruiting brand influencers can help you gain Twitter followers. Your biggest consumers on Twitter are brand influencers and ambassadors. They're the clients who love your goods and have a large following on Twitter. Encourage influencers to tweet about your products to their following on Twitter. It will help you in growing your audience and sales. 11. Get creative. There are lots of additional ways to get more Twitter followers. The key is to get creative. 12. Optimize your profile. Optimizing your Twitter profile might assist you in presenting yourself in the best possible light. You should keep a few things in mind when optimizing your Twitter profile. Your Twitter profile should reflect what you do or what you work on, as well as where you work, if that is relevant. 13. Make the most out of hashtags. You may use hashtags on Twitter to boost your chances of being discovered by Twitter users, just like you can on Instagram. Adding relevant hashtags to your Twitter updates improves the searchability of your content. 14. Find out when is the best time to tweet on Twitter. Your tweets must be exactly timed. You won't reach your target audience if you tweet when they aren't on Twitter. To increase your Twitter engagement and get new followers, you need to know when you should be tweeting.